Hi everybody and welcome back to Flexmonster tips and tricks videos where we share with you a little bit of how to use our component more efficiently. And this time we will talk a little bit about style and how to make Flexmonster to fit your corporate style or just make it look more fancy or colorful if you need that. So, as you can see, Flexmonster has several built-in predefined themes. They come in different colors, they have a combined palette, and also we have an accessible theme that has a high contrast, and we have a default gray theme that can go with most of the software designs. But in this video, we want to talk a bit more about customizing and creating your own custom theme. For that, we will go to our documentation and find creating a custom theme part, and we will use custom theme builder. It's a special app that our tech team developed to make the process more simple and straightforward for our users and developers. So to start, we need to clone from our GitHub the custom theme builder. Then we need to install npm dependencies, and then we are free to start our designing process. So we need to go to custom theme builder folder and find a flexmonster.less file there. It's a special file where you can find all the elements listed and their styles defined, and plot twist, you can customize all of that. So let's look again on our default style of the grid, how our pivot table looks like without any theme applied. And actually, this time, I didn't mention it before, we will use this year's Pantone color of the year that is called Peach Fuzz, a beautiful peachy color. As you can see, I have got prepared for that. And we will see how we can fit this color in the grids style. So let's go back to our flexmonster.less file, and we'll start by checking how this works and assigning all the basic elements the peach fuzz color. And then we need to run the theme builder, so it will generate the CSS and the minified CSS files that we can, after that, apply to our grid. So let's have a look how it looks on our pivot grid. So actually the colors look pretty good, as you can see it on the toolbar and on the main parts of the grid. So I think we can try to match other colors and elements and create a full packed theme in this peachy vibes. So as you can see, I changed all the colors for all the elements, and now we can generate the CSS file. Nice, it looks really cool. You can go play with the interface and see that we have not only changed the background colors, but we also changed the styles of the buttons and the borders and the border lines of the icons in our toolbar, which is also really cool. But except of that, you can also change the font. And we will here put Times New Roman, which is actually not a really good option, as Times New Roman is really hard to read, especially in analytical software, but it looks quite fancy here, so I think we will go with that in this video. And actually, that's all for today. Thank you for watching. I really hope this video was helpful and will help you to create creative and cool designs, or simply help you to fit your corporate style of the software you are developing. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video.